Hello guys, so we are starting a new series. Okay, this series is regarding the TestNG. So in this particular playlist you should be able to see the entire TestNG tutorial. So we'll be starting today with the setup of TestNG and proceeding towards like data providers, its various features, facilities and everything. Okay, so before we start, let's first understand what is TestNG. Okay, so TestNG stands for test next generation. Okay, so test, then N for next, and then G for generation. Okay, so TestNG is mainly used for testing the unit testing frameworks. Okay, it can be used by developers, it can be used by QAs, right? Okay, so basically, the two very famous frameworks that we have is mainly JUnit and TestNG. Okay, but then TestNG has an upper hand. Reason being, it provides multiple features. Okay, so there are multiple things which TestNG provides us ready-made, which makes it which gives it an upper hand in the market. Okay, so talking about few of its features, it has multiple annotations that help us to perform multiple things. Now you must be thinking, what are annotations? That we will discuss in the next video. Okay, so for now we can just understand it. Okay, it has few things which help us to perform multiple operations in a very easy way. Okay, now it helps us in the parameterization stuff. What do I mean by parameterization is, say you have some data sets in Excel. Okay, so you have your five username password data set. Okay, and you need to perform login with all the five data sets. Okay, so there are scenarios where you need to perform one single test case with multiple data set. Such scenarios in is called parameterization. Okay, so it helps us doing parameterization in a very easy way. It helps us prioritizing the test cases, like you want to run few of them sequentially or something like that. Okay, so we will be talking about all of its these features in details in the upcoming videos, so please stay there with me here. Okay, please subscribe to this particular channel so that you get all of it. Okay, so now we'll quickly get started. Okay, so the first step, we'll set up TestNG in Eclipse. For that, I'll quickly navigate to my Eclipse. Okay, okay, so we are into the Eclipse. Okay, so how do you check if you have TestNG already installed or not? Okay, so go to your Windows, go to your Preferences. Okay, so right now you see here, guys, I can see this TestNG option. Okay, so when you download the Eclipse for the very first time and you come here, you won't see this TestNG option by default. Okay, so let's now see that how do we install it. Okay, so let's say I click cancel. I will go to this help menu. Okay, you see an option here, install new software. Okay, so here I need to provide the installation link for TestNG. Okay, so I have it in my notepad. Let me just open it. Okay, so guys, this link is the older link for TestNG. Okay, this doesn't work anymore. So you'll have to put this link here. I'll provide this particular link in the description of this particular video. Okay, so I'll say Control C, going back to my Eclipse, Control V, and then you need to press enter. Okay, so I see this TestNG option here, right? Okay, check it, click on next. It will just take a bit of time. Okay, and I see this, right? So for me, it says that your original request has been modified. It's already installed, so an update will be performed, right? Because I already have these things installed, so I'll be getting an update. For you, it will be an entire installation process. Okay, so I say next. Okay, so I'll accept the terms of license agreement and I say finish. Okay, so you see here it's saying installing software. Okay, it will just take few seconds or minutes. Okay, so you'll get this. security warning then. Installing unsigned software for which the authenticity or validity cannot be established because it's an external website from which we are installing TestNG, right? So I'll say install anyway. Okay, so then it will be saying restart Eclipse to apply the software update, and you need to press on restart now. Okay, so it will just restart. Okay, so my Eclipse has restarted and it's showing me initializing Java tooling. Okay, so we'll wait for it to get completed. Okay, and you are good to go. Okay, now when you go to your Windows and Preferences, you should be able to see this TestNG option here. Okay, do try this, guys, and do let me know if you face any issues in the comment section of this video. Okay, in the next video, we are going to create a TestNG class and we'll be learning what are the annotations and what are the different number or different types of annotations that TestNG provides us. Okay, thank you guys and thanks for watching.